Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Today I have UU265. This is a 2015 Chrysler 200. It has the 2.4 liter engine, automatic trans, and 80,420 miles. This one is a flood vehicle. The engine did get damaged in the flood, so the engine is not for sale. We're going to check out the transmission when we get in the bay, make sure that everything works just fine on that. I did turn on your marker lights so you can see that the little lights on the headlights on the inside are working just fine. I know it's really bright out here, but I'm trying to get you the best picture I can on that. As far as front end looks really good on it. Got a little bit of damage over here on the left hand side on the door itself. Can be fixed by a body guy, so we'll go ahead and mark it as such. Got nice looking tail lights on it. Those work the same way. Yeah, those work the exact same way. So that you guys see, we got the LEDs lit up, and then the surround right there, if you guys can tell. Surround lit up on it. Go ahead to this side and show you the same thing. So there you go, you got the surround lit up on there, and your LED lights on the side lit up. So it looks like all the lights that we need are lighting up. It does have the parking assist on the rear. Scratches coming down the side here. They're not dents, so speak again. There's actually a nice sized dent right down there. I'll investigate it a little bit further when I go ahead and inventory this beast. We're gonna hop on inside, show you some of the features that are working right now. Some of them are not, just because water did get pretty high in this one. So we'll go ahead and show you what all we got going on. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do the windows so I can get some air movement coming in. It's auto down, auto up on the front two windows. So looks like that works just fine. The seat does not go back, which is really unfortunate for me because I'm up here at the dash already. But we'll go ahead, we'll check out, let me go ahead and get this thing kind of on for us so we can see some of the other cool stuff that it has. Mirrors. This looks like all that works just fine. Let's see. To just have this working. Super dim. Give me a second. Let me see if I can brighten this up maybe just a little bit. There we go. My knee must have caught it when I was getting in. So that's the radio itself. We'll see what we can get as far as settings. Phone required. Vehicle phone requires service. Please contact your dealer. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to get to my radio. There we go. Sounds like that's working.
There's the.
So looks like all of that works right there. Phone climate, we'll go to our climate controls. Here's your fans working. Let's see if I can get to your modes. I guess the modes just. So looks like that's working just fine there too. Your controls, driver controls. You can go through all that. I'm not going to go through all that though. You got your parking assist ons and off, which I showed you. It does have the parking system in the back. It does have your electric e-brake also. Looks like that's working just fine. And as this control, which I cannot control this, mainly because it's not coming on for me to get out of park. But as far as all these buttons and random controls, looks like everything's working really well for it. So as far as that goes, they were doing good there. No sunroof on this particular vehicle. Let's see, what else can I show you? Did the mirrors? parts. That's about it. So again, this is UU265. It has the 80,000 miles, 420 miles on it. We are not going to inventory the engine. We'll break that down for parts. But as far as the transmission, we'll check that, make sure no water is entering the system. Since it's a closed off system, I think we're just fine there. The only reason why the engine is open is because it's taking in air, and so once it gets up to the intake, it starts messing up things, so it's sucking in the water itself instead of air like it needs. But as far as transmission, that should be just fine, but we're gonna go ahead and look into it, make sure it is good before we go ahead and sell it. If you guys have any questions, please call Lews Auto, and we'll be happy to help you out. Again, this is UU265. This is my 2015 Chrysler 200, and it has 80,000 miles, 420. I'm just gonna see, that's manual seats, that one works just fine. I also saw this in the center console. I thought this was pretty cool. There's a little button right here, and you got yourself a little cubby back here, which is super dirty because there's water and Band-Aids and sunflower seeds and everything else laying in there. But we can clean that out before we sell it to you guys. If you have any questions, call Lews. We'll be happy to help. Thank you, and God bless.